set date first, at the rate date first, get date and get part. Okay, these are the 4 functions which I am going to explain you in this particular video. For this, first of all we have to set what is a set date first. It sets the first day of the week to the number from 1 to through 1 to 7. Means for one, whatever it is, for like for US English environment will be at date first will be set as a 7, default value will be a 7. For that kind of thing, if we want to set a particular date for which the week should be start, that time we have to set the date first. First we have to set the date first. Here I have set date for the 3. So here if I give the statement select at the rate date first, means it returns the value of that particular so whichever we have set that particular date first. Okay, if I execute this, here we'll get as a 3. Okay, this is what, like it becomes the starting of a week. Like it is a Wednesday, means today is a 3 is a Wednesday, which is the start of a week in that particular. To explain this, set this as date first as 3, and then the select at the rate date first as this is the first day, and here what I have given is and if this is what, if we execute this, see 3 is with the select as a first day, means the week of that particular date will get. Here if I, and again if I select get date, here I have selected that a date part and the W on get date. If I select this, what does it do? Today it is we have set that date first as a first day. See, if I select and execute this, see here you can see select date first as the first day. Here we have got 3, and here the get date means get date. What does this get date function does here means it returns the today's date, means returns the current date of that particular database system. Means today we have the 3/10/2020. Here that is what we got with the get date function, returns that as today. And in the date part, what we have got is date part DW, means weekday. What is the weekday of that particular? Means here what does it does? Weekday is started as a 3. So 3 is the, means we have set the date first as a 3, means we get like Saturday, Wednesday as a 3 as a first week of that particular. Then today is a Saturday, so Saturday will get 3. After 3 has become the date 1, date first of that week, date first. Then today is Saturday 1 2, means Wednesday is 1, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is the today of the weekday is the 4th day. Means it starts with the date first, means week of that particular day starts with the 1. Date first Wednesday will become the weekday, and Saturday is the 4th day of that particular week. So date part, what does the date part function does? It returns an integer representative of the specified date part of that what we have specified in this particular date part. That part we will get in that particular date. Here I have written like DW, means it has some specified value should be given, like month means week means WW. Here I have given DW, means which weekday. What is that weekday? It's a weekday is a number 4th day of that particular week. Okay, this is how the date part function does. Get date means it returns the particular date of that particular system. And here what we have given, like actually default value of a language is set as a US English. Here that offset date first will be a 7 default values. These are all. The Italian means it is a, its value of that particular week of the day will be that, or at the rate date first will be 1. This is how this function works. Like at the rate date first we have set it like a 3 as the first day of that particular week. Means it has a certain representation of that particular functions, like like Monday as as 1, Tuesday as 2, Wednesday as 3. Like this, it has a specific values where we have to first set between 1 to 7, means 1 is Monday to 7 is Sunday. So we have to first set that date first, and then if we select that date first, we will get as a 3 here our output. And in the particular languages, the first day default values, these are the default. For Italian it is 1, and for US English the default value will be 7, which we have seen here. What we have seen, date first as 3, select, we have set it that 3 as the first day, and what we are getting is that today is a Saturday, so which date part we have got as a, from this date part, that particular day, DW means what weekday, we got as a 4 as an output, means 3 Wednesday will be the first day of the week and the Saturday will be the 4th day. This is how we will explain about this particular date functions. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.